Commencing with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me, and this whole universe. By the grace of Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Respectable, reputable, cherished, adorable, dear sir, and all dear friends, I greet you with Assalamu Alaikum. The topic on which I have the opportunity to speak today is, namely, do not waste money. Money, it is the most important thing in the world. You can purchase mostly many things by the help of money. In fact, you can purchase which is kafan, you can purchase from money. If you do not have money, you cannot purchase it. So do not waste your money in order to save your money, because money, it is the most important thing in the world. Now see that your relatives, your friends, your mostly many friends, they are with you when money is in your hand. When your pocket is empty, then nobody will see that who are you. Money, it is the person who has money right now in this era, he has much respect than a educated simple man. Then earn money, start earning money, because it will give you respect and also happiness. Sometimes we feel that we do not have money. How can I purchase? How can I complete my expenditure? So in this way, that if you have money, you can purchase anything from it. Now see that without money you cannot perform Hajj. Without money you cannot get a charity. Without money you cannot distribute something in environment. So now you should try to save your money, because there is a point that save every day 1 rupee, but also save money. Either it is a 1 rupee or 10,000, but save every day, because at the last year you will get a lot of money which you have saved. Save every day money and try to earn money, because it's time that we are young, and it's the one who is teenage, he must also learn and earn, because when he will earn, he will complete his expenses charges. So start earning money, and if you do not have money, nobody will salute you, nobody will talk you in hurtly. When you have money, if you will abuse them, they will think that he is talking with us behavior. There was a quotation said by Shahid Anwar, that he said that if you have money and you are crippled, if you have money, you are crippled, and you go to one whom you trying to marry, all the society people think that he is crippled, but the father of your wife would think that no, it is the style of rich people walk like so. If you are too ugly to see, doesn't matter. If you do not have tongue, you are blind, doesn't matter, my dear. If you have money, then you can do anything in the world. In the termination of my speech, I would say that you must have listened that money makes run the horse. So start earning money. Thank you very much.